There come the first rates then this Thursday morning, and seems like a quiet start indeed it is, though we are holding on to that 17,500 price level, so that indeed is the key takeaway. Let's see what HDFC Bank are doing, what Bajaj Finance and L&T are doing, the big movers from yesterday. HDFC Bank a little bit tempered, a little bit soft for HDFC as well. Bajaj Finance will just come up for you on your screens next, and then of course L&T, FinServ down a little bit. 0.6% lower for Bajaj Finance. So no, yesterday's rally is not really continuing. L&T though, mildly up in the green at 22.65 levels. So latching on to yesterday's gains in that sense. The other movers yesterday were also ITC and Sun Pharma. They held that very smartly. So did TCS. And then of course, it was the mid-cap IT and the gas names from within the broader end of the market, which did make a very, very good move. Sun Pharma flourish, IGL, MGL, let's see what those stocks as well are up to. TCS mildly soft. IGL still going up, 1.25% higher. The cabinet as well is going to be meeting today, and perhaps you will see a final outcome on gas. So in anticipation of that, some of these stocks are still holding out. What about Coforge and LTTS? They were the high flyers from yesterday within the mid-cap IT pack. So just look out for that as well. And then, of course, a slew of other updates as well. Nykaa, Avenue Supermarts, they all came out with their Q4 updates. So let's see how the street is reacting to that. Nykaa is currently lower by about 1.5% along expected lines, given that the fashion business saw impact from less consumer spends in the fourth quarter. And of course, this heightened competition now from Reliance Retail Steera as well. 1.5% lower for FSN e-commerce or Nykaa as we speak right now. Chola Finance also came out with its Q4 update, and impressive when it comes to the disbursement figures, both on a sequential as well as a year-on-year basis. So that's another stock in focus, and the new dispersals have risen nearly about 86% actually on a year-on-year basis. Chola Investment holding up 4.6% as we speak right now. Angel One also came out with its numbers, the Q4 update that is, and the client base has come in higher, 3.3% on a month-on-month basis, and the number of orders is pretty steady. A growth trajectory is what it's indicating. So that's another stock which is in focus. Equitas as well, the deposits have come in higher by nearly about 34%. Tata Steel, the Q4 production volume has come in higher by 5.1%. So look out for that. And IEX as well, wherein the March total volumes are actually down 4%. And I'm only bringing up IEX because this has really been a trading favorite of late, and the stock as well has been holding out very well. But yeah, the Q4 update is not looking all that strong. The prices are down 23% on a month-on-month basis. So that's IEX in trade for you. Aman, what are you spotting?
Well, within the broader markets as well, it's pretty much a listless day of trade, although you have it pretty much neck to neck with the frontliners. Although, as I said, the breadth is in favor of the gaining side. There's a bunch of losers here. So just checking in on names like Vedanta, for instance, Aditya Birla Fashion, Minda Corp, Rail Vikas Nigam, which was active yesterday, KPIT Tech, as well as Cochin Shipyard. Those are some of the big losers. Chola Investment, as well as Ujjivan Small Finance, KC, those are some of the buzzers.